Begin in a plank position. Try to minimize any rotation from the pelvis or at your shoulders while you alternate between the arms and leg lifts. Also make sure that you drive your knee in towards your chest without letting the opposite hip dip. Begin in a squat position with your torso hinged forward at a 45-degree angle. Step one foot back and you're going to rotate towards the same side as your front knee and then coming back to your squat and switch sides. Repeat alternating. Begin in a side-lying position with your head propped with your bottom hand. You'll lift the top leg and then lift the bottom leg up to meet it. You can progress this by lifting both legs at the same time. If you need more support, you can begin with your head down flat on the floor and then progress with each of the different leg variations. Also be sure that while you're doing this exercise that your hips stay stacked and that they do not roll back too far behind you and that your shoulders also stay stacked at the same level. Begin in a glute bridge with your feet slightly wider than your hips. Press your knees out and maintain that tension on the band while you reach your right arm towards your left side and vice versa. As you reach, focus on that rotation happening primarily at your rib cage and not so much down at your pelvis. Also being sure that you're driving your heels down into the floor to maintain your glute activation throughout. Begin in a regular plank with a resistance band at a taut position between both hands. You'll lift one arm up, look up towards that hand, and reach through the resistance band into a 3-point plank. You'll come back to a regular plank position, hold for a moment, and then rotate towards the opposite side.